Wouldn't you love to draw Disney cartoon characters just like a professional artist? In this video, we will show you by using a simple technique. Once you learn this technique, you will want to draw even more, perfecting your skills and demonstrating your talent. Our channel's wish is for everyone to be able to enjoy drawing their favorite cartoon characters, like you see flashing before your eyes right now, and you can do it. Some may say, but I don't see this method with all of the past drawings you have created. Are you going to do it moving forward for each cartoon character? The answer is yes. As you can tell, we have a love for Disney characters, but we will draw other non-Disney characters as well at times. In this video, we will demonstrate drawing Todd from the Disney movie The Fox and the Hound. The main tool you will need for this method is this 9-section grid, with each of these squares sectioned into 25 smaller squares. You might ask, isn't that hard to create? Well, the fact is, you can print this grid and use it. Follow the instructions from our video in the end screen called Print from a Video, and you will be all set to start drawing. We generally always try to start with the head of the character, so as to have a feeling for the proportion of the rest of the body. For the head, we zoomed into the large section of the grid, so the small details of the face can be seen. Upon zooming out, the section where the line is being drawn is highlighted in yellow for further assistance so your eyes can focus on the moving instructional line. The idea of this technique is to concentrate on drawing your lines in proportion and position in each small square, one by one, or step by step. Focus on how the line is in relation to the square you are in, and when you draw the line in the next adjacent box, it will connect to your previous box's line, creating a full drawn picture line when finished. Remember, you can always slow down or pause the video to get a better understanding of the line's shape and position in relation to each small square. Did you know that Todd is a sweet, cunning, and lovable fox? He was adopted by the widow Tweed after his parents had died. We will draw the widow Tweed for you in the future, so you get to know all of the characters from the Fox and the Hound Disney movie. Because Todd gets bored a lot, he is always getting into mischief. Whether it is annoying widow Tweed's cows or knocking over her milk containers, he is always causing trouble. Take your time, there is no rush. This is to be a fun and enjoyable experience for you as you learn. Todd's mischievous behavior changes when he meets a little puppy by the name of Copper. You would think these two would not get along with each other, being natural enemies, but instead they become the best of friends. He doesn't just become a regular friend, but a loyal friend who would do anything for Copper. It is too bad that Coppa's master Amos Slade does not like Todd. You see, Amos is a chicken farmer. He lives right next door to the widow Tweed, and Todd, being a pesky fox toward chickens as foxes would do, is always wandering onto Amos's property. Amos threatens to kill Todd because he believes Todd is after his chickens. Amos is unaware of Todd's and Coppa's friendship, and it is unfortunate that the two must keep their friendship a big secret. We hope that this adventure in drawing a Disney cartoon character is a little different, fun, and educational, not only learning how to draw, but also learning something about the character and its personality you are drawing. For without learning and feeling what you are creating, Todd would just be a picture of a red fox, and not a come-to-life Disney character with a story and personality. We hope you enjoy our channel enough to subscribe to receive notice of the latest created cartoon character. Because a video like this takes many hours to create, it is not possible to generate more than one video every 2 weeks or more. We would also like to thank each and every one of you for your support. Our goal is to respond to every comment, although it may take a while. Thank you and have a beautiful, healthy, and creative life. Remember to watch the end screen to see how to print the grid page shown at the beginning of the video, or you can use graph paper if you prefer.